Aloha, my name is Adventure. I will be your host today as I take you to the Iolani Palace, on Oahu, in Hawaii. Iolani Palace is a living restoration of a proud Hawaiian national identity and is recognized as the spiritual and physical multicultural epicenter of Hawaii. Built in 1882 by King Kalakaua, Iolani Palace was the home of Hawaii's last reigning monarchs and served as the official royal residence and the residence of the kingdom's political and social life, until the overthrow of the monarchy in 1893. Registered as a National Historic Landmark since 1962, and the only official royal residence in the United States, the palace is one of the most recognizable buildings in Hawaii. Meticulously restored to its former grandeur, Iolani Palace tells of a time when their Majesties, King Kalakaua, and his sister and successor, Queen Liliuokalani, walked the grand halls, located at the corner of King Street and Richard Street in downtown Honolulu. Iolani Palace offers two tour options, a guided tour with a palace docent, and also a self-led audio tour. Both options include a tour of the first and second floors of Iolani Palace followed by self-guided exploration of the basement gallery exhibits. It is suggested that you should allow between 60 and 90 minutes for either tour. Download the official Iolani Palace mobile app for iPhones and Androids and explore the palace grounds and navigate the various landmarks, from the barracks to the throne room, with ease, using an interactive map on your phone. Visitors are welcome to take photos of the Iolani Palace interior, exterior and grounds for personal use. The following are not permitted: flash photography, videotaping, audio recording, tripod and monopause, extended lenses. For the safety of our visitors and collections, Iolani Palace prohibits the use of selfie sticks. We encourage museum visitors to take selfies and share their experience. As Iolani Palace is a sacred place, we kindly ask guests to be dressed in a manner that is respectful of its cultural and historical significance. Shirts and footwear are required. You will also be asked to wear shoe coverings provided by the palace. Bathing suits and beachwear, including beach cover-ups, are not permitted. Clothing displaying profanity is not allowed. Children 5 years old and under are free. Also not allowed are large bags, backpacks, luggage, food and beverages. For more information and to book your tickets, please visit iolanipalace.org. To contact the palace directly, please call 808-522-0822. Thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you here. My name is Adventure. Aloha.